Bore the rowan shield, loud and cruel were the ravens' cries that feasted on the field, saying back, oh, the cold and clear can never clean your wound. There's none but the witch of the Westmoreland can make thee heal and soon. So turn your stallion's head till his red mane flies in the wind, and the rider of the moon goes by and the bright star falls behind. And clear was the pale moon when his shadow passed him by. Beneath the hill was the brightest star as he heard the owlet cry, saying, why do you ride this way? Wherefore come you here? Oh, I seek the witch of the Westmoreland that dwells by the windy mere. And it's weary by the old water and the misty break-fern way. Beneath the cleft of the Kirkstone past the windy water lay. And he said, lie down, my brine-led hound, and rest ye, my good grey hawk, and thee, my steed, may grace thy fill, for I must this mountain walk. But come when you hear my horn, and answer swift to call, for I fear the sun will rise this morn. You will serve me best of all. And down by the water's brim he bore his rowan shield, and a golden rod he has cast in to see what the lake may yield. And wet from the lake she rose, full fast and fleet when she rolled, half the form of a maiden fair with a jet black mare's body. And long loud the trail he blew till his steed was by his side. High overhead the grey hawk flew, and swiftly did he ride. And he said, course well, my brine-led hound, and fetch me the jet black mare. Stoop and strike, my good grey hawk, and bring me the maiden fair. But she said, pray sheathe thy silvery sword, and lower your rowan shield, for I see by the briny blood that flows you've been wounded in the field. And she stood in the gown of the velvet blue, bound round with a silver chain. And she kissed his pale lips once and twice and 3 times round again. And she bound his wounds with a golden rod, full fast in her arms he lay, and he has risen hale and soon with the sun high in the day. She said, ride with your bride-led hound at heel, and your good grey hawk in hand, for none can harm the knight who's lain with the witch of the Westmoreland. No, none can harm the knight who's lain with the witch of the Westmoreland.